Page 95, number 21. Graph the function and tell whether or not it has a point of discontinuity at x equals 0. If there is a discontinuity, tell whether it is removable or non-removable. So for number 21, our function is g of x equals 3 over x. So I began by graphing it on my graphing calculator. Here it is on my Inspire, and I can see that the graph has a break at 0. And I can also see that same picture on the 84. So I do have a discontinuity at 0. A discontinuity happens when you can't smoothly draw the curve with your pencil without lifting it. There's some sort of break or jump or hole or something. It's not a smooth curve through there. So I do have a discontinuity. So let me sketch the graph real quick. So the graph is going to look like this and like this. So I would answer that yes, there is a discontinuity. At x equals 0. And I'm supposed to state whether it is removable or non-removable. And I will write it is non-removable. And the reason it is non-removable is that you have a break that goes to infinity. The only discontinuities that are removable are holes. If you have a jump or you have an infinite split, such as this graph, it's going to be non-removable. A removable one is one that you can kind of ignore because it's that you have just one simple singularity that is easily moved over if you were going to draw it. Now, for a non-removable one, you definitely have to pick up your pencil and start at a new point that is completely away from where you were, as opposed to just a little hole in the graph. So that's why it is a removable discontinuity at 0.